Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best pure sine wave hybrid inverter on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Powland Pure Sine Wave Hybrid Inverter, showing why it's perfect for home and small commercial solar setups. Let's get started. Product features: advanced hybrid grid load technology. Seamlessly works with household grid power, prioritizing AC loads while sending surplus energy back to the grid. Anti-backflow design prevents power surges and backfeeding issues. Massive 12,000-watt pure sine wave output. Handles multiple high-demand appliances simultaneously, including central AC, refrigerators, and power tools, making it ideal for medium-scale home or commercial use. PV to AC direct conversion reduces reliance on battery storage by up to 40%, enabling efficient energy use and making it perfect for 3 to 4 bedroom homes or small commercial setups. MPPT solar harvesting technology achieves up to 99.9% energy extraction from solar panels, even in low light conditions like dawn and dusk, maximizing solar efficiency. Expandable and scalable. Supports stacking of up to 6 units, reaching 72,000 watts with proprietary phase synchronization for larger energy demands. Pre-wired for 550 to 700 watt solar panels with anti-reverse loss protection. Comprehensive safety measures. Includes 8 protection systems: overload, short circuit, reverse polarity, and automatic voltage cutoff, ensuring stable and safe operation. Durable and weatherproof. IP65 rated casing protects against dust and water, making it reliable for harsh outdoor or rooftop installations. User-friendly monitoring. Features an intuitive LCD display and tricolor LED indicators to provide real-time insights into system performance, battery levels, and load usage. Battery compatibility. Supports lead-acid, lithium, and other battery types for a future-proof energy setup. Smart Eco Mode optimizes charge/discharge cycles to extend battery lifespan. Pros: handles high-demand appliances with ease. Efficient PV to AC direct conversion reduces battery use. High solar energy extraction even in low light. Expandable up to 72,000 watts with synchronized stacking. Multiple safety protections ensure stable operation. Weatherproof IP65 design for outdoor use. Quiet dual-fan cooling and user-friendly monitoring. Cons: large units may require professional installation for stacking. Initial investment higher than basic inverters, but offers long-term efficiency. Final thoughts. The Powland Pure Sine Wave Hybrid Inverter is a reliable, high-capacity solution for modern households and small commercial setups. Its efficiency, safety features, and scalability make it a future-ready choice for anyone serious about solar energy management. Take control of your solar power today. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product and like this video to stay updated on the best energy solutions.